And honestly, at this point, we are running out of reasons as to why we are doing this.
My reason is makeup. Dude, I want to show off my funky makeup because otherwise I'm not using it.
You look more like a witch in this episode than the last one.
Yeah, I have a property in Salem if anybody wants to see.
Okay, getting into the video, the song that we have for you today comes from a movie which I think was one of the first crossovers between Bollywood and Tollywood, because it has Amitabh and Rajinikanth.
And
Govinda sprinkled in somewhere.
Actually, yeah, and then there's this very famous good-looking woman who for some reason dances in a few songs, but I don't remember her in the movie so much.
Dude, that has been consistent for Amitabh from Hum to Bagban. There is one woman who only comes into his movie just to dance in one song.
Okay, going on, so a little bit background about this song is that I don't know.
I remember being a very small kid and watching this on TV and thinking that wow, Amitabh is so cool for dancing like that, and now
And
here
now,
we are.
exactly. See, we've all grown from what we are as children. Fortunately, we understand what the lyrics are about, which we don't agree with now.
Yeah, hence the series.
Anyway, so movie is from 1991, Hum, and it's been sung by Kavita Krishnamurti and Sudesh Bhosle, which are really good singers. So I don't get this whole thing, why people had never ever before had a problem with any of the songs they're singing.
Because they couldn't make it as anything except playback singers, right? It was either that or sing in a train ride like
Yeah, but then
Ram.
Amitabh Bachchan had so much say. He could have had say. I don't know, man. I think that these artists at some point could have put their foot down and said, no, we're not going to go with this because this doesn't.
मैं रानू मंडल को मिल गया हिमेश रेशमिया, इनको कोई नहीं मिलना था ये अपोज करते तो.
Okay, getting into the song. अच्छा ये भी बताओ कोई इसका नाम जुम्मा है क्या इसमें?
What is this lady called? Is she called Jumma? Comment if you know.
And then it's almost as if you're entering a third degree kind of scene.
Yeah, I mean, so you know how there are clubs that have policy of no stag entry? I think this club has a policy of stag entry only.
And only women in red clothes.
Because there are like 100 people all dressed in blue overalls, and then there is Amitabh who's like,
हम फैक्ट्री में काम करते हैं, फैक्ट्री वर्कर्स है.
लेकिन हम ये कपड़े नहीं पहनेंगे.
And then he does the split, man split or whatever.
As you can see on the screen. What the hell was that step?
Yeah, it's like, like, ooh, sexy. And that magga that people have is filled with soapiness. Soapy
हवन
goodness.
करेंगे, हवन करेंगे.
It's like not beer, man. Beer does not foam that much that, you know, when you jostle those jugs together.
Mom, I don't know this.
Okay, let's swing in a basket now because that's the next best thing. What is with these factory workers? Like hundreds of them who want to see this kiss.
Have you never, after office, just hung out with that one cool colleague from
Yeah, but
office?
he doesn't wait for me to ask somebody for a kiss. You
That
know.
is true.
Like, he's not there as a spectator, which is what I don't get about this.
What I don't understand is why is everyone else more excited about the kiss than Amitabh?
Yeah, Amitabh is no. You see his clothes there.
So, Amitabh is one of those people, you know, you meet somebody on Tinder and then it's sort of going okay, sort of not. And on the first date, he's like, okay, so shall we seal the deal? And you're like, maybe later.
Maybe
and
you
then,
need to seal your clothes.
and then this guy just gets stuck on her.
Who are like? I don't know if people have ever, you know, thought this when men walk around with unbuttoned shirts. I don't know who finds it good looking.
I don't.
at all.
Do you? Why is she showing everyone her undergarments?
But she's wearing something transparent, so it's not really visible. It's just
Yeah, but what is that step? Who thought that pulling your entire skirt up is a good step?
because did you see the amount of fluff she's wearing?
But still.
कि भाई fluff हिलाने को पूरा ऐसे 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 करना पड़ता है.
She only did that step for the hair. I feel like Rekha could have added a lot of sex appeal to this song.
No, this woman is actually pretty sexy if you look at it. I mean,
Not as sexy as Rekha. Nobody is.
Well,
I love
you
Rekha.
can't compare Rekha with somebody.
Okay, what on earth is happening over
This
know.
coin
Oh
is
my
like the
God.
center. Oh god, no.
Oh god. How
I
is this comfortable?
I think I just saw some pelvic hair which I didn't want. Okay, so I was reading the comments on this song which were pretty like normal. And then somebody had commented no means no. I don't think Amitabh knows that. I felt so good after reading
Yeah.
one comment which actually commented on, what a big problem this is.
Has somebody in your office been like, hey Richard, if you're free, can we go for a coffee? And you'd be like, I'm busy right now, maybe later. You don't mean that maybe later.
दे चुम्मा ले चुम्मा दे
Like, he said, कोई तो दे दो यार, इधर से दे दो, उधर से दे दो, कोई तो दे दो.
What is with this dance, really?
Okay,
And then
where
there
is this hose coming from? Or why is this hose getting in here?
ouch. I'm sure this poor girl is like, मुझे क्यों मार रहे हैं इससे?
Do you know the kind of pressure this water has?
And you can see from her face, it's like,
Don't, this is hurtful. But,
and then there's a chest bump.
oh my god, how is this not? He literally took her and threw her. Oh my god.
And then we dance again.
Run, Behan, run. Please run in the
Actually,
other
okay,
direction.
there is another thing. He's asking you for a kiss. You say no and you run. That is how most people do, fight or flight. You don't sit and dance with that person, okay?
Yeah, I mean, see, obviously, Kranti humse aayegi and you should all take a step in front and everything. I agree with all of that. But when you have backup, you don't go be the hero when you're the only one. Also, who goes to a club without friends?
Yeah, who will you go to the toilet with?
Exactly.
There's this random sailor.
Did you see that 1 second के लिए the pipe went like this? यार कितना पानी बर्बाद हुआ है इस गाने में?
देखो हमारा टाइम भी बर्बाद हो रहा है. पानी तो बहुत छोटी चीज है इस टाइम.
आज हमको पानी की समस्या क्यों जा रही है? क्योंकि ये बेवकूफ़ी हुई है ना पुराने गानों में.
ये निर्भया नाम की कोई बियर थी क्या? Like I didn't drink in 91, so please, if you know, like
I wasn't born in 91, so.
I'm feeling old.
So our final verdict for the song. We have only one word for the song. Problematic.
किसने सोचा था कि when you ask for a kiss, it has to be done in front of hundreds of people?
मैं तुझे एक बात बताऊँ. किसी भी सोशल में शूट हुआ है ये गाना.
हो सकता है.
क्योंकि सोशल में ही ऐसे जेल वाले प्लेटों में खाने मिलता है.
Oh my God, we are just dishing dark social right now.
Please don't tag social.
Yeah. Anyway, so I think if the artists back in the day had any say, I feel that this song would have been vetoed down.
I think back in those days there weren't many women on the set, and the women who were there were only there because they wanted some sort of payment.
If you look at the Stardust from that age, it's cringy as you know.
I know.
You know.
You know if you know. So yeah, that was our review of this song. Didn't really like this one either, but then again, we only review songs that we don't like.
The next song that we're going to do, I have never heard of that song before. I think that I should.
That's not even a hint, They don't know your Spotify.
Oh my god, I can't tell you how bad the next song is going to be. Like, this is bad. The next
Next is worse. But nothing. Bye.